Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Rebecca Jamir and I make food videos. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it and hit the notification bell so that you will know when I am uploading a new videos. Today I am going to make a very simple recipe. You need only 4 ingredients. So let me show you the ingredients. Obviously bamboo shoot. Actually, we can make it in tomato also and we can fry it also. But today I will show you how to make it in bamboo shoot. Green chilies. I eat a lot of chilies, so I'm using many chilies. And this one, tin fish. Actually, it's not that how we get it in Dimapur. This is the one I could get it from here in Gurgaon. So let's try it today. And salt, that's all. Only 4 ingredients and it will take only 10 minutes. Where's my lighter? I lost my lighter. Just little bit of water just to cook these chilies and bamboo shoot. So first of all, what I will do, I will break this chili and put it there. Like I said before, just break the chili so it will cook easily. Bamboo shoot, and we'll add some salt. We'll cover it and we'll let it boil. This I will open it. Let's see if I can open this or not. Oh guys, it's so difficult to open. Yeah, I think I'm opening in the wrong way. Yeah, this one. It looks good. I think it will be tasty. It smells good also. Let's see, it's boiling nicely. It will take some time. I will just wait. It looks so delicious. I can't wait to taste it. After a long time I'm going to have. Guys, 90% of you have not subscribed to my channel even after watching my videos. So please subscribe it. Just hit the red button and the red color will disappear. So please subscribe it. Mr. Toto Chishi, he asked that where do you buy these inner parts? So I know a person whose brother is a butcher, so I got it from there. It's in Gurgaon, phase 3. So if you want, you can get it from there. Many of you have asked why I'm using chopping board. So guys, let me tell you again, I don't have that wooden log with me, so I was using that chopping board. Next time I will try to get it. If not, please guys, somebody can send me. I will happily accept it. Now chilies are cooked properly, so I will pound it. It's a very simple recipe. It won't take much time also. and put it back. That's it. Now we will add this fish tin. First, what I will do, there's a lot of water, so I will not add this fish now. We will just reduce this water a bit. It's too much water. Guys, whenever I'm cooking bamboo shoot, I'm always burning this agarbatti so that my neighbors won't complain it. So today also I have burned that agarbatti. It's just nearby my ventilation. Guys, we always have these leaves in our meal. So today also I am boiling these mustard leaves, and actually it's a season for mustard leaves, so we can get plenty of mustard seeds here. So I'm going to enjoy this. We both like it. Now I'm going to add this fish. Oh, that's a lot of fish there. I thought it's just a small tin. I thought we will get only just one piece of fish, but it's plenty. Wow, 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 wow. Not this. Man taste asli. I'm missing my mom so much. She taught me how to cook this. Guys, it's ready. Now I have to wait for this leaf to cook. Guys, I'm trying this. It's so tasty. Guys, if you don't have bamboo shoot, instead of bamboo shoot you can use tomato also. I love these leaves. I like having lemon. Guys, please tell me from which state you are watching this. And please try this recipe at home and do let me know how it came out. Like I said before, it's very simple. You don't need to spend a lot of time in cooking this. Only 10 minutes. It will take only 10 minutes. Not more than that. So I'm enjoying having this. Please let me know how you have enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please like it, comment it, subscribe it, and please share it with your friends and your families. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.